So good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about the ethical behavior and its implications for accounting. General discussions we have made that at all the levels, whether it is individual person, organization, professional groups, or many other societal things which are to be providing the different types of services and doing the activities for the benefits of the society, they must follow some ethics, some rules, some principles, and by making these rules or ethics, everybody has to play the role according to that. In accountancy, when we are follow the accounting standards, then automatically the accounting ethics are to be implemented. But instead of that, some another part of the ethical matter is how the ethical things are to be considered, how it is necessary, and in your behavior, it must be shown very properly. So, by saying on the paper and doing different, actually, that is not the point of the ethical behavior. So, yesterday, some important points I have noted, and the notes are given to you. Today, again, we can continue the some important concept, some important basic things in the ethical behavior implications for the accounting. So make the another paragraph under that. The ethics are the ethics are not automatically not automatically based on based on particular thing particular things, but different faiths, faiths, different faiths, or moral beliefs, moral beliefs, etc., are should be considered, etc., are should be considered in the ethical behavior, in the ethical behavior. Full stop. The psychologists, the psychologists has defined the ethics, has defined the ethics as a practical wisdom has a practical wisdom which may involves which may involves action for action for the individual social and corporate level and corporate level. The ethics are required. The ethics are required to make some better work, to make some better work in order to provide in order to provide benefit benefit to the general people, to the general people. Ethical behavior is ethical behavior is one of the ways of acting, one of the ways of acting properly with the properly with the society and individuals, society and individuals for good values, for good values. The includes ethics includes honesty, 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 comma, fairness, 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 चांगुलपणा, प्रामाणिकपणा, पहिला प्रामाणिकपणा नंतर चांगुलपणा, इंटेग्रिटी, एक वाक्यता, इक्वॅलिटी, समानता, डिग्निटी, सगळ्यांना समान दर्जा देणं, डिग्निटी, and individual rights and individual rights in the organization. Next sentence, in the organization ethical behavior makes sure that all its decisions comma actions actions, interactions, etc. are to be, etc. are to be completed as per some moral principles, some moral principles. Following are some of the important features of ethics. Next line, number 1. Ethical values. Underline. Ethics is concerned with morality and honesty of business. Morality and honesty of business. Full stop. The business should be conducted with self control, comma, self check, CHECK, स्वतःची स्वतःवर नियंत्रण घातली पाहिजेत. सेल्फ चेक and self sacrifice. In the ethical value, next sentence, in the ethical value, interest of the community should be kept in mind. Next, number 2, interest of society. As per the ethical behavior, business should do good. To the society, and then to itself. Full stop. Any business has business has a social responsibility, a social responsibility to protect the interest of to protect the interest of the society, the society, and those who are related, and those who are related with the organization, with the organization. So interest of society, society word is very wide, vast or wide meaning. Society means consumer, employee, supplier, government, many other elements in the society, etc. So society means all the different types of factors which are to be included directly or indirectly with the business. Number three, social relationship. Social relationship. Underline. Ethics are set up. Ethics are set up some terms and standards. Some terms and standards to understand the social responsibility, to understand the social responsibility of the business with of the business with various factors, various factors. Social relationship is to be social relationship is to be maintained very well, maintained very well when when the expectations of the society, the expectations of the society are to be fulfilled by, are to be fulfilled by businesses, businesses. Number four, framework, framework. Because of business ethics, because of business ethics, business is bound by, business is bound by social rules and regulations, social rules and regulations. Business can do the activities, business can do the activities within the framework within the framework with the social legal with the social legal cultural and economic framework cultural and economic framework. Number 5, protection protection business ethics gives protection to business ethics gives protection to consumers, comma, shareholders shareholders, employees, and the society at a large and a society at a large. Instead of instead of self-interest self-interest, priority is to be given for priority is to be given for social interest social interest. Next, profit making profit making, underline, ethics are not against ethics are not against fair profit making, FAIR, fair profit making, but it is against but it is against making profit by making profit by exploiting the consumers, exploiting, EXPLOITING, exploiting the consumers, employees and investors, employees and investors. Number 7, acceptances acceptances ethics cannot be imposed by law. Ethics cannot be imposed by law, but it should be accepted but it should be accepted as a self discipline as a self discipline by businessmen by businessmen. It comes from the bottom of heart. It comes from the bottom of heart. Within itself. Within itself. Number 8, conduct. Conduct. The ethics are relates to what is right and what is wrong. What is right and what is wrong. Conduct. चांगला आणि वाईट वागण्याचे पद्धती आहेत. What is wrong, right and wrong conduct. It also tells whether the behavior is right or wrong. Right or wrong. And last, number 9, application. Application. Ethical principles are universal in application. Universal. सगळीकडे समान असली पाहिजेत. Universal in application. And they are applicable. In business, politics, and every walk of life. Give the next heading. Accounting profession with new point. Accounting profession with ethical behavior. Behavior. BEHAVIOUR. Ethical behavior. Underline. Finance and accounting are important functions of management of any business firm. Full stop. Accounting systems are integral part of providing information for or decision making as well as for the other activities or the other activities. Full stop. Accounting must be accounting must be possible with possible with trust and and wherein well practices very well practices must be followed for must be followed for favorite or positive favorite or positive values of human activity values of human activity. पैराग्राफ करा. Some frauds or well-known scandals घोटाले well-known scandals 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 during the past few years have put a serious question mark on the role of accounting and finance Full stop. Managers, businessmen, students, politicians, and all others should learn from the scandals and economic crisis, economic crisis, that the proper role must be played by must be played by accounting and costing sorry accounting and finance accounting and finance people. Many big business houses many big business houses declared bankrupt declared bankrupt because of because of the liabilities which are greater than which are greater than properties or assets properties or assets. Kingfisher Airlines Kingfisher Airlines of of Vijay Mallya's is the example of it is the example of it. And banks many other banks, comma, financial institutions financial institutions are bankrupt are become bankrupt because of not following because of not following ethical behavior in accountancy. Ethical behavior in accountancy. On the contrary, on the contrary, some business houses are some business houses are developing very well developing very well in India as well as in India as well as global level global level. these business houses are these business houses are achieve their targets achieve their targets beyond what they expected beyond what they expected full stop. The wide sense of ethical behavior is the wide sense of ethical behavior is if you follow the things properly if you follow the things properly, results are to be good results are to be good and strong sense of mission strong sense of mission of success will be achieved properly achieved properly. In the accounting and finance, in the accounting and finance, following things are to be following things are to be maintained maintained with a proper way which are to be explained as follows which are to be explained as follows. इथपर्यंत आता थांबूया. उद्या आपण राहिलेल्या गोष्टींची पूर्तता करू. मला वाटतंय सोमवारी आपला फायनान्सचा टॉपिक संपेल, फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग. त्यामुळे 1-2 दिवस उद्या आणि परवा सोमवारी आपण याच्या नोट्स महत्वाच्या तेवढ्या तुम्हाला देतो मी. त्याच्यावरती ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन प्रत्येक टॉपिकवर असणार आहेत. त्यामुळे कुणीही कुठलेही मार्क्स लूज करू नका. आपल्याला प्रत्येकाला वेटेज आहे विद्यापीठाच्या सिलेबसच्या पॅटर्ननुसार. एकूण जर आपले 4 टॉपिक फिनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग मधले असतील, त्याच्यामध्ये कंपनी फायनल अकाउंट आहे, नंतर इंटरनल रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे, बायबॅक ऑफ शेअर्स आहे, इन्व्हेंटरी व्हॅल्युएशन आहे आणि हा इथिकल. हे 5 टॉपिक आहेत. आपल्याला जर 50 ते 60 मल्टी चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स प्रश्नपत्रिकेमध्ये विचारले जातील तर प्रत्येकाचा 10 मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन असा रेशो राहील. सगळ्याच टॉपिकला आपण समान वेटेज मार्काचं देणार आहोत. त्यामुळं 5 टॉपिक, त्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येकी 10 मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन हे तुम्हाला विचारले जातील. आणि अकाउंट कॉस्टिंगच्या बाबतीमध्ये जेवढे आपले टॉपिक झालेले आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये कॉस्ट शीट आहे, त्यानंतर कॉस्ट रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट आहे, त्याच्यानंतर मटेरियलच्या बाबतीमध्ये आता जे चालू आहे, आपल्याला आणखीन एक आठवडाभर कॉस्टिंगचे पिरियड आपले जेवढे होईल तिथपर्यंतचाच सिलेबस हा तुमच्या परीक्षेसाठी असेल. जो सिलेबस शिकवला जाणार नाही त्याच्यावरती मल्टी चॉईस क्वेश्चन विचारले जाणार नाहीत. हे फक्त तुमच्या आणि माझ्यामध्ये राहू द्या. कुठेही याच्याबद्दल बोलायचं नाही. आम्हाला तशा इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहेत विद्यापीठाच्या. whatever may be the syllabus is covered or completed, only on that syllabus you can ask the questions to the students and prepare the question papers accordingly. याच्यात आपण काही वेगळं करतोय अशातला भाग नाही. म्हणजे विद्यापीठानं तशा मार्गदर्शक सूचना दिलेल्या आहेत. तर आज आपण इथं थांबूया. नंतर आपण उद्या